Hey everyone, I am here with my very last Walmart haul of the year, and we're gonna go out with a bang. Actually, we're gonna start off with a bang and end the way I love to end my videos and my days, in something soft and cozy and casual. But let's start with the glam. Before I get any further though, I do want to remind you this video is sponsored by Walmart, and everything that I'm talking about is also listed down in the description box, which really isn't a description box, it's just what we've gotten used to calling it. It's an area of text somewhere around the title possibly where you can expand to get more information. In this case, I'm going to list every single item that I'm talking about here, a link to it if you want to shop or just get more information, my sizing, prices, color options, all those things. So let's start with this. This obviously would be fantastic for a New Year's Eve party, or in my case, it is for a New Year's Eve dinner. My plan is to wear this dress. We're going out to a nice steak dinner, and then I'm gonna end my evening in the same outfit I plan on ending this video in, so stay tuned. But I love this dress. I would say it runs true to size. I'm wearing it in a size small. I am anywhere from a size 4 or 6. On dresses, I tend to skew smaller because I do have an hourglass figure, and so I need a little bit smaller in the waist, but there's still room for the boobs, the hips, the butt, and the gut, so that is nice. I'm also wearing a short dress, and if you are a regular viewer, you know I generally steer away from that, but this time of year it's great because I can pair my short dresses with opaque or semi-opaque hosiery. Gives me a little more self-confidence. It does suck some things in. This is part of a 2-pack actually that came with some fishnet stockings as well. Even the shoes, these are really comfortable. They're little stiletto faux suede booties. They also come in a cognac color, but I obviously love the black for this. The dress itself, let's talk about it. I love this little flounce at the bottom. It's very fun and flirty. This is all lined. The sleeves are not, but it's not itchy, which is always a concern when you're wearing sequins. But this is really comfortable, and I'm glad that the main part of it is lined. That also helps so it won't catch on any hosiery that you happen to be wearing with it. So this is the first glam outfit. Let's stay with this glam look, but just take it down a notch. Okay, this personally is my favorite kind of glam, where there are hints of glam, but you're wearing jeans. So let me walk you through this one. Some of these pieces you have seen before, starting with this blazer. This is part of the Sofia Vergara collection, and it, at first glance, looks like a basic black sort of velour blazer, but when you get up close, there are really fine lines of shimmery silver thread running through it. Makes it really pretty and obviously very nice for this time of year. I actually wore this whole look to a luncheon at my country club recently. I did swap out the jeans for black dress pants, but it's generally the same look. So this you've seen before, and the shoes, they may or may not be in stock. If I haven't mentioned it, just because the website shows they are sold out, which they may be, that doesn't mean you can't find them at your local store. So whether you shop through my links or you go in store and get them yourself, I want you to find what you're looking for. So check both places. A little trick, by the way, is if you live near more than one Walmart, make sure you look at different addresses, because maybe you have to drive 5 more minutes, but they have it in stock. I do that all the time. Anyway, so these are just slingbacks. They also come in a bright pink. They go with everything. Here are the new pieces. Let me take this part off. So first of all, I love this tank. Now it is a racerback. I am wearing a regular bra. I wore a regular bra when I wore it to the luncheon. Luckily, I didn't get overheated and I kept my blazer on. But if you're thinking at any point in the evening you want to take your blazer off, I would recommend a racerback or maybe even a strapless. And I didn't tuck it in so that you could see where it falls. This also comes in 4 other colors. Now this is part of the No Boundaries line, which is junior sizing. So size up, I am wearing a size medium. Also comes, I believe, in red, green, and a beautiful kind of champagne shimmery beige. Really pretty. Sequins on the front. It's just a plain rayon-like material in the back. And as much as I love the sequins, and I love all the sparkles, these jeans, okay, let's talk about these. These are what I like to call trouser jeans. I've actually been looking for a pair of these forever. Of course, Walmart comes out with them. So they look like dress pants. They're cut like, almost like palazzo pants, and with the seaming down the front. The material is a lot more lightweight, so it's a little more fluid, like a pant, less like denim. No pockets in the front, so that it just has a nice smooth line. Has pockets in the back, which is nice. This is definite vanity sizing, and by that I mean, I know I'm not a true size 4. I will cling to that with both hands. More likely I am a size 6, but these are a size 4, so size down from your true size. There's a lot of stretch in them as well. So soft, like all the Sofia Vergara jeans. The material is so comfortable. Obviously, these are meant to be long. They're meant to be worn with heels. I am 5'4", and I'm wearing, I think this is like a 3.5-inch heel, and it's just the perfect length. It looks fine untucked. You can also just kind of roll it under if you want. These are high-waisted. These come up past my belly button, so it's kind of hard to tuck these in. So I just generally, when I wear the tank with these, I just kind of do a little roll over like that, and it stays put. So this is outfit number 2 for you. All right, I swapped out the top and the shoes to make it a little more casual, but not as basic as a basic sweater and jeans. There's a little bit of a twist. Let's talk about this ruffled sweater. It's so soft. It's from Time and True. I just like the gray with the shimmery threads running through it. I felt it looked very wintertime and soft and pretty, but this also comes in the most stunning, I wanna call it a bright lilac. It's more of a springtime lilac, but again, it's that cool tone. I think it would look beautiful and really brighten up anybody's face. It would be a beautiful option as well. There's a blue, and then I think there's a black also. Same jeans, super comfortable, and I did tuck in the hem of the sweater a bit just so you can see how it looks. I like the ruffles. I am busty, and I have I wouldn't say full-on broad shoulders, but I have definitely defined shoulders, but I don't think this overwhelms my frame, which can sometimes be a problem. I love how soft it is. And then I pulled out those same suede or faux suede booties to go with the whole look. It really elongates the legs. This is an easy look to pull out. I would say if you're invited to an open house, someone's home, a more casual dinner get together, but you wanna look like you tried a little bit more than usual, I'd say this is a great outfit for something like that. This outfit to me makes me feel like a little snow bunny. I generally don't wear a lot of white. I feel like I attract dirt. Maybe I'm a messy eater. I have 3 dogs, so I usually don't wear white, but there's something about wearing a cable knit white sweater in the winter. I think it's so cute, but I like the twist on this. So this could be worn a couple of ways. I'm choosing to wear it as a sweater all by itself. I don't have anything on underneath this except my bra, but this does fully unzip and open, and you could wear this as a shorter little cardigan. You could zip this all the way up and then fold it over for more of a turtleneck type look. So it's pretty versatile. It also does come in black if you prefer that, and I'm wearing it in a small. Now these jeans have been getting a lot of buzz all over social media. These are from Time and True, and they're the mid-rise straight leg jeans. Now, normally, the Time and True on me runs really small, so I ordered a size 6 and a size 8. The 8s, I didn't even have to unbutton. They were falling off of me. I could pull them on, so obviously those are going back. These are the 6s, and they are roomy. They're probably maybe even a little too roomy, but I like them like this. I don't want them too fitted, but because they're under $17, I'm definitely gonna pick up a pair or 2 more, definitely in the size 4, just to see how those fit. And I'll report back to you maybe next month. But they do run a little long, and I didn't necessarily want to cuff these, so I did just take a scissors to the hem. I didn't do the best job, but I think they'll work. And then pair them with some Chelsea boot style. I'd say they're Chelsea inspired with a bit of a heel. It's definitely how I like to wear my straight leg jeans this time of year. They say they're mid-rise, but I mean, they come right to my belly button, and they are, like I said, they're pretty roomy. I could definitely size down, and I would recommend that if you want a closer fit. But if you like this sort of looser fit style, a lot more casual, get your true size. So that's what I did here. Let me show you one more sweater, and then we're gonna get full on cozy. So this is the last of the outfits that I wanted to share with you. Bottoms down, you've just seen. The only difference is this sweater, and sometimes it's nice to just have a basic piece of clothing. It doesn't have to have sparkle. It doesn't have to have embellishments. This is a pretty basic, pretty run-of-the-mill fit, mock neck sweater, couple little touches they did. Obviously the color blocking, I like that it's color blocked throughout. So obviously the front has this green and the navy, and same with the sleeves, but when you turn around, it's actually 2 different shades of blue, so it carries it all the way through the sweater. I'd say as far as how this feels, it's not a full-on chenille. Maybe I would say like a chenille type blend, so it's very soft. It's a little more lightweight, so if you live in Texas, not on Thursday when it's gonna be 18 degrees, but standard Texas winter weather, southern winter weather, I'd say this is a great option. I like how it hangs. I don't like thick, bulky sweaters. I just feel so claustrophobic in them. So if you're like me and you hate a full turtleneck and you don't like the bulky sweaters, this one is right up your alley. It also comes in ivory with the navy at the bottom as well, and I'm wearing it in a size small. All right, let's get into some PJs. All right, I told you I'm ending this video like I hope to end my New Year's Eve in something comfy and cozy, and here we go. So this is from the line that we've all been raving about for good reason, the new Joyspun line. At Walmart, they do loungewear, they do pajamas, they do hosiery, they do intimates, bras and underwear, and this I love for a variety of reasons. This time of year, obviously, we're getting ready to celebrate Christmas. I'm personally in the middle of celebrating Hanukkah, and I love that this is kind of a very subtle Hanukkah pajama. I mean, it could be. We've got the navy blue velour and the gold that says celebrate. There are, I believe, 12 patterns in this set. So there are definite Christmassy ones, there's wintry ones, and then there's just cute and fun patterns. So I think you can find something for everyone. It's velour, but again, it's not that stiff, heavy velour. I could actually go to sleep in this. I know I'm not gonna get overheated. And these are more, I'd say, the jogger style. They do have pockets. As you can see, these are generously sized. I'm wearing a size small. They are banded on the bottom, so they're not gonna ride up your leg. Oh, these are so comfortable. I don't wanna change out of them. But I'm holding this because I talked about this last year. It was one of my all-time bestsellers. They came back with a vengeance. It is a cozy knit wrap. I actually have 2 of these now. And I usually keep one by my bed and one in our family room on the couch. It looks like it's just a blanket kind of artfully thrown over the arm of the sofa, but it's actually this lovely wrap. I don't know if this exact pattern is available this year. They released new ones. I think there's 5 or 6 prints, and then within each print, there are several color variations. I love these. As I looked on the website, it is currently on sale for $17 and change. Normally it's almost $25. I cannot recommend these enough. I love these to lounge around in, to watch TV in, because your hands are free to do the things, but you can wrap up and be cozy in this, and it's so soft. It's the same chenille as the Cozy Knit Throw. It feels like you're wearing a Barefoot Dreams blanket, but you're not because you paid under $25 for it. And I will say that these are generally easily found in your Walmart stores too. So if you have a last minute gift that you need to get, if you're watching this right now, it is super last minute, pop into your Walmart, and these are usually on an end cap near the clothing, closer to where the PJs are. But every store is different. Personally, I like to get on the Walmart app and put in the store where I'm going. It'll tell you exactly if it's in stock and where it is in the store. That is my life-saving little, it's not a hack. I mean, everybody knows to do that, but I'm just reminding you, if you don't have the Walmart app, that's a good way to use it. Anyway, that is it. We are done with the last haul of the year. I am done with my outfits. I wanna just sit on my couch, turn on the fireplace, and read a good book. Maybe I will go do that. Happy Hanukkah to everyone who is in the middle of celebrating. Merry Christmas to those of you about to start. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you to Walmart for sponsoring this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.